Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. Yay! So like I mentioned in my haul, I'm going to start popping out these tutorials, and the first eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Lunar Beauty Siren Sunset eyeshadow palette, which, if you haven't seen, this is MUA's brand, and he came out with this palette not too long ago. It's fairly recent. I think last week he launched it. So yeah, this is the unicorn. How pretty. And this is the eyeshadow palette right here, which is the same packaging, but everything is raised, like the mermaid, the moon. It's so pretty. I really love how much detail Manny puts into his packaging. It's just beautiful. All his palettes are beautiful. But yeah, and then this is the back. Well, it tells you like the grams and some of the ingredients in the eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette has a decent mirror, as you can see, and has a little plastic insert, and this is what the color scheme looks right here. So all these beautiful shades. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna come up with, but if you're interested in watching what I come up with, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties, so before we jump in, I just want to let you know what products I used for my eyebrows, which is nothing new, honestly. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder in Ebony. They're both in Ebony, actually. And I used this powder to fill them in. And then I used my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to prime the lids. So that's all I have right now. And then of course I had to use Manny's lip oil. This is in Dare Me, and I'm actually out. Can you believe it? My first product. So I was like scraping the bottom to moisturize my lips, but this is what I have on, you know, just so they don't look crusty, because nobody wants to look at crusty lips, right? But yeah. So alrighty, so onto the palette. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I think I want to do the greens. Yeah, like these right here, these greens, maybe with pop the gold shade on the lid, I think. So, and I really like that it has like a really nice size mirror. That's always a plus. And since I also bought these and I haven't used them, these are the Makeup by Shayla, a collaboration she did with Sigma. So this will be my first time using these brushes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these. So let's see. So I'm going to use the E40. This is the taper blending, and I'm gonna go into the shade Ariel, which is this beautiful turquoise color right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply that to, actually no, first I'm gonna go in with Shell, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply it to the eyes, just so it can make everything blend nicely. In no particular way, just brush it all over your lid like so. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go into that color Ariel. So it's actually really pigmented, as you can see. So I'm gonna apply that to the outer part right here, to the crease. This shade is so pretty. Alrighty, so now what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go into the shade Merman, which is this green color right here. It's a dark green, like an emerald. I want to say emerald, but I think it's emerald is lighter than that, but this is like a green, a dark forest green. So I'm going to use the E25 brush, and I'm just going to place that merman out here in this outer part of the eyelid, and I'm just going to concentrate on this part to deepen a little bit. Not gonna lie, this feels so weird putting eyeshadow on my eyes, just because I haven't done an eye look in, I feel like, months. That's how long it's been, and it feels a little odd, but I love it. I missed it. Alright, so I like that so far, and I'm just gonna go back with my blending brush, my E40 brush, and I'm just gonna go over this edge right here where the like forest green and the turquoise meet to blend it out. So I like what I have going on so far, and now my favorite part is the glitters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this glitter glue. I'm just going to use the McGrath's Intensify Artistry ones for no reason, just because I have it here on my table. So I'm just going to swipe it on this part of the lid where it doesn't have anything. I'm just gonna apply the shimmer shade with my finger. That's what I always do. I rarely ever use a brush. So the color I want to go in with is gonna be Coastline, which is this gold right here. So I'm gonna use my middle finger. Ooh, this feels nice, and it has like a green shift to it. Can you see it? It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply this closest to that forest green color. Wow. And I think I might have to use a brush to get up in this corner right here. But oh my gosh, that color is so pretty. So now for the inner part of the eyelid, I'm going to use Water Nymph with it, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use my ring finger. Oh, this is pretty. This has like a turquoise, purple, green. Like, it's a really nice shift. Can you see how pretty that is? That's beautiful. So I'm going to use that shade in this inner part right here. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, that shade is gorgeous. Okay, Manny did that. That is beautiful. Oh my god, these shimmers are out of this world. They're so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the, what is this? The E25, the one we used for that forest green shade. And I'm just gonna apply it again, go over it, and blend it into that gold, like so. Now I'm going to go back with my E40 brush, and with no additional product, I'm just going to blend the edges so everything is blended out nicely. Now if you feel like you need to, you can tap into it, but I like it just like this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so impressed with these shimmers. Like, look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a liner, lashes, do my face kind of, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. These shimmers are so beautiful. And I'm not sure the camera's capturing it, and if it is, like, girl, these are bomb. These are bomb. These are bomb. But okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty, amigas. So this is the final look, and I like it. The eyeshadows, girl, the shimmers, and well, the shimmers by themselves are beautiful. The two shades that I used today, like that gold, it's called Coastline. It's gold, but it pulls like a green shift. Beautiful. And the other one, Water Nymph, which is this one right here, it's like purple green, like a truly like a mermaid color. Beautiful. That's the shade I'm wearing in this inner part of the eye. And oh my god, I can't wait to test the other shades out. I feel like those two already made the palette, but even the mattes, creamy, buttery, they blend seamlessly. So of course I didn't expect anything less from Manny. I have his other palettes and they're beautiful as well. So I'm so happy that I went ahead and bought the palette. Because I was contemplating, because I have bought so many other eyeshadow palettes, but I'm glad I bought it. And yeah, this was $55. I got it from the Lunar Beauty website if you're interested. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. It felt brand new because it's been a while since I've actually done an eye look. But yeah, I'm so happy. Anyways, that's all for me for today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.